Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different and vlog for the day. I have the week off of work and I didn't really plan like a vacation or anything, so I'm just doing stuff around the house. We're running errands and I thought it would be fun to take you guys around with me today. And then Henny's birthday is on the 4th of July. I know this is probably gonna go up after that, but I'm thinking maybe I should vlog that day too, because we're probably gonna have some friends over and celebrate him. So I don't know yet if I'm gonna have time. I'm probably gonna be busy, but if I do have time, I kind of want to vlog that as well. But anyways, yes, today is going to be a little day that I'm gonna bring you guys along with us and just hang out. I don't know exactly what we're doing yet, but I think it's gonna be a fun day. Now that I get to take you guys around, I'll show you some little projects that I'm doing around the house. I'll show you my fur babies, I'll show you Henny, and maybe I could convince him to take us to the Crate and Barrel outlet. We'll see, I don't know. But yeah, that's what today is. It's a vlog, so make sure to give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you love these kinds of videos. If you love anything makeup, self-tan related, definitely make sure you're subscribed. But stick around if you want to hang out with me for the day. Okay guys, this is the second time that I'm trying to film this, so if I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. But I wanted to show you this project in our house that we're working on. I didn't realize the first time I was filming I had an adult beverage that Henny was drinking on the counter, so I'm like, I better redo that. I'm not trying to show any of that. So here is my latest home project. So basically we have this black wall here that we painted maybe like a few months after moving into the house, and I absolutely am obsessed with this black wall. I feel like it's such a nice contrast, especially with this TV, because this is a big TV. It's 80 inches and it takes up a good chunk of the wall, so I love how it just like blends in. And then when it's dark out, when it's nighttime and we put on a movie or something, it looks like you're not even watching a TV. It's just really cool with the black. So anyways, we're trying to incorporate some of these black details, but this is our latest project. We did a pull wrap, like backsplash, which I got this idea from my friend and I absolutely love it. We were gonna do black kitchen cabinets right here to go with this wall, but that was a whole like mess, if I'm being totally honest. We got like a black, or I mean an unfinished 60-inch cabinet from Home Depot, and we were going to paint it black, so we got like a paint spray gun, we got a primer, and we went to get a black can of paint, but it was coming out gray every time, and no matter how much black they were putting into the paint, it just still kept coming out gray. And I didn't want too many colors. Like, we already have black, we have this like natural wood like pull wrap color, and then we have this white. So I didn't want to be mixing any more colors in. I feel like that would have been way too much, and I'm not the biggest fan of gray tones, if I'm being honest. So we said never mind. We ended up returning that unfinished cabinet, and then we got these white finished cabinets that were like ready to assemble from Home Depot. There's the boxes, and then we put these together last night. So now we just need my dad and my godfather to come over and like nail these or like screw them together and then like screw them into the wall and stuff. And then my dad's friend is going to help us out with a countertop. So I am debating, or I guess we're debating between a black countertop and a white countertop. So here are my options. I feel like I'm leaning towards the black because again, we have this, so I kind of like incorporating the black tones into this as well. I feel like white would look really clean, but the black would look sick. And then we have like black floating shelves coming in tomorrow that we're gonna put up. We're doing like 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and then we're probably gonna do like a cute like neon sign or something in the middle. So we really want to make this like a really cute and cozy space, but it's been a project, you guys. Oh my God. And I think Henny is sick of me already with the ideas that I'm coming up with. But all fun stuff. I think I want to do gold hardware on the cabinets too. So I think it's gonna look really cool. And then I want to do a big sofa here. I know this room is like a huge mess. We have like paint we need to touch up on the walls. I'm trying to sell these 2 Lovesacks on Facebook Marketplace because I love them, you guys. They're so comfortable, but they just take up so much space, and then like 2 people could fit on them. So I'd rather have like a big sectional where multiple people can sit and like hang out, and I want to have room for like a coffee table and stuff. So I'm trying to get rid of these. So I want to get a sofa or a sectional. If there's a sectional company out there that wants to collaborate and send me a sofa, please come my way. There's just so many pretty ones out there. So yeah, shameless plug. But I also want to get a rug to put down here. We were going to replace the floors, but that's an expensive project and it's a very time-consuming project. I really like warm tones, so I would want to do like a light oak flooring down here. It's way too expensive to do the whole house. So we're just keeping the carpet for now, and I want to put like a big rug down here to make it like cozier, maybe like an off-white or something. So I feel like that would be really cute. Here you guys go. You get a little debut of one of my babies. So yeah, that's this room. It is a whole project and it's gonna take some time, but I feel like this is gonna be a fun one to take you guys on the journey with me to do, because I am just having a lot of fun with this. I know Henny's not having as much fun as I am because he's doing a lot of the heavy lifting and work, but I'm just a girl. I'm coming up with the ideas. I'm the brains of the operation, you know? So yeah, I will definitely keep bringing you guys on this with me. I feel like that would be a really fun video in itself. And then I'll take you guys along with me for like the whole journey of like putting this whole room together, like some curtains, a sofa, coffee table, rug, all that fun stuff. So it's a work in progress, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that part of the house and what we're currently doing in here. And this is what I'm primarily spending my week off of work doing. So let's move on to the next thing. Okay guys, we just picked up food. Henny wanted barbecue, so we went to this random barbecue spot by our house, so I'm hoping that it's good. I've been trying to eat healthy, and I feel like every time I have a little bit of time off of work, my diet just goes to shit and I eat the unhealthiest stuff that I could possibly find. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun week and I'm gonna be paying for it next week, but that's okay. So now we're just gonna go home and we're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna try to convince Henny to take me somewhere for the day. So we'll see what I can come up with. We wanted to show you our garage too. It's a huge mess right now, so this is not a good representation of what it is. But like I said, inside we had a little gym thing that Henny put together, but wasn't working out in there, so we moved it into the garage. So we have a treadmill, little workout yoga mat, we have a patch of grass, a bunch of weights, things like that. But everything is so messy right now because we're trying to find a good place for everything else. So again, not the best representation, but Henny did these really cool lights on the ceiling. Let me turn this on so you guys can see. Yeah, they're like hexagon lights. He and my cousin installed these together and it looks sick in here when it's clean. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys a quick little preview, I guess, of this. Okay guys, I convinced him to take me to look for a rug. I think I want to stop at HomeGoods first, just in case their pricing is better and I could still find something that I like. And if we don't find anything at HomeGoods, then maybe we will stop at the Crate & Barrel outlet. So we will see. Off to Crate & Barrel. All right, Crate and Barrel outlet was a fail too, so we're like 10 minutes away from the Pottery Barn outlet, and they have really good prices on rugs too. So that's gonna be our last stop. And then I'm gonna see if we get lucky on dining chairs for my parents' dining room too. So bless you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, we just left the Pottery Barn outlet and we didn't find anything. No rug, no dining chairs, no nothing. So I'm giving up for the day. Thank you to my lovely husband for going through that with me. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I'm gonna go home and wash the carpet in that room I showed you guys downstairs, and I don't think you wanna watch me wash a carpet. And then I have a friend coming over, one of my best friends, so we can catch up. And I don't think I'm gonna vlog that either. So I think I'm gonna end this one here. I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, comment and let me know any ideas you guys want for like vlogs or any kind of fun videos. Like I really am enjoying like bringing you guys around my day with me, and like not just filming in the same like chair that I always film makeup reviews and things like that in. So if you guys want to give me more ideas for videos, either like home projects that we're doing, if you want to see those, or like these kind of vlog style videos where I can take you around, please let me know and give me some ideas of what you guys want to see, because I'm having fun with it. But yeah, give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.